Okay. What we're gonna do, okay? Nós vamos fazer uma pizza. Right? Let's do this. Baby, come here. You gotta be close to the picture. Alright. We have two pizzas. Two pizzas, right? We got this pizza and we got this pizza. What's the name of your pizza?
Eduardo.
Okay. This is Eduardo. And this is Eduardo. Go. So we're gonna make this pizza. And it's gonna be awesome. Because that's what we're doing for a living now. Come on this way. We gotta put this thing to cook. Right?
I'm gonna throw it in the air.
Uh-huh.
Let's throw it in the air.
Turn the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go! Oh! Oh, dude!
I got it.
Alright.
Do it again.
1, 2, 3, and go! Oh.
I got it.
Okay, come over this way. Come over so we all stand up here. Okay, now we're gonna put it on the plate. You put it on the little one. Good job. Now what you do is just like open up like this, right? Like that. Okay?
Let's just push it up.
Push it off.
We're gonna upload videos. I can't believe we're going there today.
Right?
We're going today.
Pizza.
Pizza. Yeah, I think mine is done.
You think?
Yeah, look, it's everywhere.
You gotta be like me. You gotta go all the way to the end of it.
What kind of end?
The end of this whole pizza thingy.
Like all the way at the end?
Yeah.
Oh. Punch it, punch it, punch it. I'm punching it so it can get soft. Punch it, Daddy, so it can get softer. Punch, not that.
Hey, you're making holes on it. Look, olha. Tá fazendo um buraquinho aqui, ó. That's Eduardo Pizza. Little man, little pizza. Right?
Yeah, I'll be right back. So pumpkins! Throw the pumpkin in! Throw the pumpkin!